The 2023 Cupra Born enters the market with a bold promise to deliver a unique driving experience by combining performance, sustainability, and style. As the first fully electric offering from Cupra, it aims to redefine the electric vehicle segment with its sporty appeal and exciting driving dynamics. It features a striking exterior design that distinguishes it from its competitors. Its sleek lines and muscular contours give the vehicle a distinctive, aggressive look. The copper accents and exclusive Cupra badging further emphasize its performance-oriented character. The dynamic LED headlights and taillights provide excellent visibility while adding a touch of sophistication to the overall design. The performance is where it truly shines. Equipped with a powerful electric motor, it delivers an impressive 231 horsepower and 310 Newton-meters of torque, ensuring rapid acceleration and effortless overtaking. The low center of gravity, courtesy of its battery placement, provides excellent handling and stability, making it a delight to drive on twisty roads. The steering is precise, and the suspension is well-tuned, offering a perfect balance between sportiness and comfort. With an estimated range of up to 335 miles on a single charge, the Cupra Born is a viable option for long-distance travel. The vehicle supports fast charging capabilities, enabling it to charge from 5% to 80% in just 35 minutes when connected to a 125 kilowatt DC fast charger. This makes the Cupra Born a practical choice for those who want to enjoy the benefits of electric driving without compromising on flexibility and convenience. The Cupra Born offers a spacious and versatile interior, making it suitable for families and road trips. The rear seats provide ample legroom and headroom, ensuring comfort for all passengers. The vehicle also boasts a generous 385-liter trunk, which can be expanded to 1,200 liters when the rear seats are folded down. This practicality, combined with the car's performance capabilities, makes the Born an enticing package for those looking for an all-around performer. The Cupra Born is competitively priced, positioning it as an attractive option within the electric vehicle market. It successfully combines performance, style, and sustainability into an electrifying package. With its eye-catching design, engaging driving dynamics, and practical features, it stands out in the increasingly crowded EV market. For those who crave an electric vehicle with a sporty edge and are not willing to compromise on practicality or range, the Cupra Born is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.